Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Mazda Miata out of cardboard. First, gather your materials like large cardboard sheets, a sharp utility knife, and a reliable adhesive. Next, find detailed reference images and approximate dimensions of a Mazda Miata to guide your design. Then, sketch out the main body panels and the basic chassis structure on paper, ensuring your proportions are accurate before cutting. Now, let's build the foundation. Begin by cutting out the main base chassis piece from a large, sturdy cardboard sheet. Then, create several support ribs and crossmembers to give your Miata its structural integrity. These pieces will form the internal skeleton. Carefully glue all these chassis components together, ensuring they are firmly attached to create a strong and stable base for your cardboard car. With the chassis complete, it's time to shape the exterior. Carefully cut out the side panels, hood, trunk, and fender pieces according to your design. For the Miata's iconic curves, gently score and bend the cardboard sections to mimic those smooth contours. Once shaped, securely attach all these exterior panels to your cardboard chassis using a strong adhesive, ensuring a clean and seamless finish. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your cardboard Miata. Cut and attach smaller details such as headlights, taillights, and side mirrors to bring your creation to life. For an even more realistic appearance, consider painting your cardboard car with appropriate colors. Lastly, inspect your model for any weak points and reinforce them with extra cardboard or tape to ensure durability and a polished final product.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.